cake's going to be a Black Forest cake, and here I have it already frosted, and I use the medium-sized triangle on the sides, and I'm going to put the crumbs on. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how I did the crumbs. I use, these are actually chocolate graham crackers. You can use cookies if you like for different flavors, depending on what cake you're doing. And I'm just going to show you really quick, the quickest, easiest way to do this. You could put them on a mixer, but they get big chunks and they don't really work. So I have them kind of partially here. Just put them in a bag and just kind of crumble them, roll them a little bit. If it slips a little bit, you can put a towel over it. The main thing is you don't want to break the bag. So after you have your cake crumbs, you take your cake. Now I have in here chocolate cake, cherry chunk filling, which is pie filling. I got out of a can, just like that. And I have that in 2 of the layers and 3 layers of cake. All of my cakes have 3 layers of cake and 2 of the filling. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put the crumbs on there. Just a pie tin or plate, or if you wanted, you can use a cookie sheet with the sides. You can go all the way up the side or just around the edges. Totally up to you. All right, so after you put your crumbs on the cake, we're going to go ahead and put our top. Again, with this one here, we have rosettes using a 1M tip, and just go all the way around. A little mound in the center. This one is a little trickier because you don't want to you want to make sure the cherry juice doesn't go all over. So I spoon this one in. And you could most certainly do this with blueberries, apples, and just about anything, strawberries, anything that's canned in a gel like this. Take your cake crumbs or cookie crumbs, and just sprinkle them around. And there we have our Black Forest cake that was really yummy and delicious, quick and easy to make.